Hey guys, today I'm going to review the HORUSDY Magnetic Wristband that you could find on Amazon. So this is a magnetic wristband you could put on your wrist, and it has magnetic strips, so then you could put screws and nails and different things while you're working around the house and find them easily. So I wanted to give you guys a quick review of this product. So here you have the product. It's got magnets on it, and it's got this section where you could put your wrist through it. Overall, it's a pretty decent product. The only issue I have, maybe I have smaller wrists, but it doesn't actually go really tight around my wrist. If I tighten it all the way, you have this extra flap, which could be kind of annoying. So that's one thing that I would just be aware of when you're buying it. You could put the wristband all the way up here and tighten it, and it does work a little bit better. But what I've noticed after working maybe a couple minutes or a couple just carrying heavy objects and things, it kind of cuts the circulation with my arms, and my arms get a lot more tired. So definitely not something I like doing. So I do, if I work with it, I do keep it down here. It does have this extra flap, but you know, I'm able to easily take some screws and just stick it to it. And then if I'm up on the ladder and I'm nailing some things, I could just easily grab my nail, hammer it in, and move on. So not the best just because of this extra flap. But I guess technically I could cut it off or, you know, make it work like that. But I mean, overall, pretty cool concept. I think you should, if you want to buy it, give it a try. Hey guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to my channel. I provide unbiased reviews so that way you don't waste your money on products, and I'll continue to do that.